It's that fire inside of us. It's like, no, we're not gonna lay down. We're not gonna be defeated. We're gonna come back stronger. Grandmother Julia really perpetuated that lesson to me. She would always say, keep your shoes by your bed so you can be ready. Get up early, say your prayers, and go running. It makes me feel like I'm close to my grandma again. I had a hard time growing up accepting the way I looked. I remember writing to my sister and I told her, I look too Native American. I look too Navajo. And she's like, but you are Navajo. I think the turning point was my coming of age ceremony. It's called a kinalda. And I had to wear my hair in front of my face to go to school. People were like, why is her hair in her face? Like, is she something wrong with her? But after leaving school, I reflected on that a lot. I came to know that it was beautiful and that my culture and the way I looked and my family, we overcame so much hardship, genocide, assimilation. When I look in the mirror, I'm looking at my grandma, I'm looking at my mom, I'm looking at my grandparents and their grandparents before me, and they looked like me. And now I wouldn't change anything about it. I love who I am. I feel free to create the art that I create. And I love now capturing that in my illustrations, like my nose and my cheekbones and my long hair. My culture and my family influenced a lot of the work that I do now. The activities that I saw my grandparents doing, cooking and herding sheep and, hauling wood and talking, laughing together. In Navajo, there's a word called hojo, and that means to walk in beauty and harmony. I really believe that my family and the things that we did and my ancestors did really brought me here today. That's who I am, the product of them and their sacrifices.